guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just took my bath and I'm gonna do my breakfast and then I'm gonna shoot my video. Today you got to know that what I'm going to do from the thumbnail only. This is going to be very interesting for me. We know that we can hide our spots with both the processes naturally as well as using makeup, and today I thought that why not compare both the effects, which is going to be effective more. I'm gonna see, so let's go. Most important thing is, before watching my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. So the first thing which I'm going to do is the natural one. I think the instant removing of dark spot is not possible with the natural process because it takes a long time. But if you want to remove it instantly, then I think the makeup is the only best remedy to hide it. Also, if you do any kind of facial bleach and any kind of chemical treatment, this also takes time. At least instant is not possible. Only the way is you just use your makeup. So let's see what I'm going to do. It first I'm going to do a natural one and then I'm going to do the makeup one. Natural process, I need some ingredients. The first thing is turmeric, which I've already poured out here. Then I'm going to use lemon, and another thing is I'm going to use this one. You can use, also you can't use. This is orange. This is very effective. So I'm going to apply this over my face. Most important thing is to put a thick layer over your dark spots, and that's it. So you just need to keep it for at least 5 to no, you just keep it for 6 to 8 minutes, and that's it. Means we will wait until it's completely dry. And I'm going to wash this out, and I'm going to show you the effect. Okay, so I just washed it, and you can just see it's all my spots become so light. Means definitely natural process lighten my spots in only just in one day. So if you are going to use it for at least consecutive 3 to 4 days, it is going to be very effective. So finally I'm going to use toner. Okay, like this. And trust me, my skin has become so smooth. It was not like this before. So natural processes definitely too good, but it's not instant, but it definitely lightened my spots, as you can see. So I'm gonna use my makeup now to hide my spots and everything. So for makeup, the basic thing is to moisturize your skin. I did everything. I'm going to do those steps only, which removes your spots and everything. So for this, I'm going to use my concealer palette. And I'm going to use any dark shade. You can see that it has so many shades. Use any dark shade. Like this is also a dark shade. So I'm going to prefer this one. Apply it over your spots. No matter, it may be your dark spots, anything. Dark circles also includes. Okay, I just covered all my spots like this, you can see. And now I'm gonna blend it out slowly. So as you can see, I just blended it out. Then I'm going to use any foundation. I'm going to use this one, Lakme. You can use any foundation. So now I'm gonna use this face powder to set the thing. You can just see that, no? That how it got removed. I had here also. I had here. I had here. It got removed. So definitely it's instant. It's very good, effective also.